Hello, in this video I will show you how to add a Capital One card to your Apple Wallet. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Anyways, let's get started. First, tap on your settings icon. Then, scroll down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it. Here there are a lot of options, but just tap on Add Card. There are a lot of options here too, but just tap on Debit or Credit Card. Here, just press Continue. Here you have two options. You can add your card using your phone's camera, or just tap on Enter Card Details manually to do it manually. For now, just tap on this option. And here you just add your card's information. Make sure to write the information correctly, otherwise it won't work. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching.